Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to allow friend requests from server members in Discord, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to connect with new friends or make it easier for your community to reach out, I'll guide you through the updated steps to get it done quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. You can do this on your phone or your computer. These steps work on both. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give it a tap to bring up your user settings. Now, scroll through the settings menu until you find the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on that to open a new set of options specifically designed to help you manage your social interactions on Discord. Within the Content and Social section, you'll notice a category called Friend Requests. This is where you control who can send you friend requests. Here, you'll see several options, but the one we're focusing on is server members. To allow friend requests from people who share a server with you, simply checkmark the box next to server members. And that's it. You've now enabled friend requests from server members. This means anyone who shares a server with you can send you a friend request, making it much easier to connect and build your Discord community. A quick tip: if you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and uncheck the box. Discord gives you full control over who can reach out, so you can always adjust your privacy as needed. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Discord tips and tricks. Happy chatting, and I'll see you in the next video.